Most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools that are incredible, so must watch this video. See how beautifully ice cream is made in the ice cream factory. Designs are being made on the iron sheet. Color is being filled in a small plastic bottle. See, with the help of this iron gadget, how beautifully it is being folded. Logos are being made on the plastic bags with the help of 3D printer. By putting a large piece of wood into the machine, converting to a very thin layer. This machine is cleaning the frozen soil on the side of the road. Beautiful designs are being created on wood with the help of this small gadget. Plants are being planted in a unique way.